Hello to everybody, my name is Juan Rebolledo. Okay, before we begin to solve the crime, let's read the following statements of the suspects. Okay, Mr. Olivia Wilde. Keep checking her cell phone before and after the robbery. She said she was making weekend plans with her best friend. But the police thought it was suspicious that she tested multiple times after the robbery. Okay, and Mr. Sebastian, bank manager. Mr. Cotrino was the only bank worker who was in direct contact with the robbers for over 5 minutes. He told the police the robber told him to go into his office to get a key. He also said he was trying to find a way to call the police when he was away, but unfortunately one of the robbers came with him. Okay, to solve the crime, we must take into account that evidence coincides with what the suspect say in this case. We have two suspects, Mr. Y and Mr. Sebastian. Mr. Y said he was talking to his best friend, and he believed that it was with Mr. Sebastian. This, okay? Mr. Y lied, best friend, and she talking with Mr. Sebastian. She lied. Mr. Sebastian, this man was the one who had direct contact with the robbers and the one who spent more time with them. Okay, that's why my main suspects are this, and you have to confront them because Mr. Sebastian and Mr. Y have a romance, so it's very suspect Mr. Y because she lied that she don't talking with best friend. She talking with Mr. Sebastian.